and we're walking and small video. You gonna take it on a plane? Champs of Lycée.
And we're staying on the Champs Elise.
It's day 3 today in Paris. So today we doing the Opera House, then we're doing lunch, and then we're gonna walk down by the Seine, by the river, and just do a walk through and enjoy Paris. Just a low-key type of day.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to find some other stuff to hyperlapse and other things because we started making hyperlapses yesterday and they look really cool. If they turn out well, maybe we'll throw one in the vlog.
Yeah. So, just an easy day around Paris. Then tomorrow we gotta squeeze in some time to do laundry early in the morning, because the next day basically we are leaving for Norway again, on our way to the North Pole. So we're gonna try to squeeze as much time as we can out of Paris, just enjoy. So it's not gonna be that big of a vlog. It's just us sitting, going to museums and eating and just enjoying the sights and all that stuff. We'll try to make
interesting to us, but not particularly interesting content for you guys. So.
Yeah. So I don't know what kind of content people make about Paris. I guess it's mostly like food and Eiffel Tower and all the popular sites. So we'll try to make something.
Yeah, although this is like our 3rd or 4th time here, so
yeah.
Like we've done all the popular stuff now. We're just kind of enjoying the city.
Yeah.
I love this city though. The city's great.
It's cool. It's a cool city. It's very. I mean, I just love coming here and just watching the sights and just being here. It's a lovely place. So cool. And we staying here at Monsieur Georges, which is this hotel. So it's a very small boutique hotel, very lovely. People are very nice. Concierge, very attentive. They've been arranging stuff for us all day.
It's been a nice change of pace from Norway, because in Norway they were just kind of like, all right, figure it out. You know, you're here, you got a phone. Do what you do.
They're very good at what they do here at Monsieur Georges. So very attentive. And they got us a taxi, which we're about to board in, and you can see the concierge is right there, making sure that we all get in and go where we're going. They're very good at their job. Yes. Yeah. DJI. It's a camera. It's a small camera. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So this is in front of the Opera House. People are just chilling on the steps. We got Mr. Emerson over there shooting video, but people are just sitting and relaxing on the steps. There's music playing, and we're walking. And small video for you. You're a big star, man. This is for you. This is the Opera House in Paris. It is also known as Palais Garnier.
I've been here before.
It was designed by Charles Garnier in 1875 during the reign of Napoleon III. The interior of this opera house is equally as impressive as its exterior. It's got grand staircases, opulent chandeliers, intricate decorations. It reminds me of Versailles. The Opera House is open to the public for a fee. You can go in and explore its interior. It has guided tours. You can rent one of those audio guided tours. That's what we did. And just the inside is beautiful and stunning. The story of the Phantom of the Opera is connected to this building and contributes to its mystique. The story is said to have originated behind this door, door number 5. In this room is where the Phantom used its secret passages to explore the opera house. I like the stone in that building. Yeah.
Why did everybody come over here?
Because we wanted to take pictures.
Like in the center, because this isn't. I mean, we could walk here.
You don't want to walk by the river?
Well, yeah, we have a view of the river. I mean, we're going to be in the river tomorrow.
Okay.
What did you want to do? Oh, I was just going to say there's like another main street down there that has maybe a little more interesting things going on, but we could loop.
You gonna take it on a plane? You think they'll fly? What is this? Look at this. It looks like an angel. You see that from the side?
Yeah. Probably an angel.
They have a fabulous orchid house at
The Meriwether Post House. I can think of the name of it now in DC.
What is that? This is beautiful. I don't even like flowers that much.
the colors of these. Those are beautiful, like yellow and
It's beautiful. We went in and looked at the orchids. You believe that? I don't believe it.
But did you enjoy it?
I did. Somehow I did. I want to say no, but somehow I did enjoy it. They got like little faces and stuff. Anyway, that was interesting.
Quite the mind expansion for you.
Yes. Now I'm gonna go home and grow orchids. I'm trying to keep them. See how long. I'm gonna become like an orchid expert. I'm gonna go on YouTube and learn how to care for them. Before you know it, I'll have a greenhouse in the backyard. People will be coming over to see my orchids. I've been able to keep fish for 22 years, 25 years. I think I could keep an orchid alive, right?
When the Notre Dame burns, they'll be like, what? And I'll be like, yeah.
You burned?
And then who knows, you'll be able to go inside and see the different colors of the wood. It's a part of history. It's sad.
they're not sure how it happened,
Let's see if we all survive.
but they're not sure how it happened. But they think that it was believed to be either started by a cigarette or a short,
Inside?
or a short circuit in the electrical system.
I mean, it was so random.
Look at the scaffolding. Wow, they did some work. The restoration project is still underway. You can see up through the scaffolding there where they put all the new support structure out of wood. It looks modern, very different, I'm sure, from what it used to look like before. But nevertheless, it's being restored. So I love this building. I don't know why, but I do.
How they could build something like the president's palace so recently with that level of, so that they're out there. But the cost.
Yeah, the guy who's wearing a Jamaica jacket. Dang, they're already doing promo and stuff. And like, they had like little boxes around them with the little, what are those called? The separating belts, whatever they are. And then recorders right in front of each one. It's so cool.
Yeah. We're going on a river cruise, dinner river cruise on the Seine by the Eiffel Tower. So this is our dinner cruise for the evening. What? What?
Bonsoir, he said. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir mesdames, bonsoir messieurs.
Bonsoir.
Merci. La table 14.
Champs of Lycée.
No, we're staying on the Champs Elise.
I appreciate your keeping me focused.
Champs Elise.
Champs of Lycée.
No, we're staying on the Champs Elise.
Absolutely. It's a Champs Elise. Champs Elise. Mercy buckets. Nothing else. Just being insane.
Go ahead.
We are.
I'm not ready.
Well, then you have a problem. Here's the menu. Oh, that's video worthy.
Yeah.
You guys are
And correct.
some truth. A finer truth in what you say. Everybody together now, ready? Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah.
Happy 21!
Happy birthday to you.
And many more. See, it's sparkling just for you. Now it is, yeah.
It's sparkling. It says that My citizenship papers here? Yeah. I'm just putting you on your own citizenship. That's all.